Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can back up your OneDrive folders in your computer in an external drive. All you have to do is go onto your Google Chrome browser and then log into your OneDrive account. From then on, just download the OneDrive app on your PC or laptop. After that, finish the setting of setting up your account where you log into your account on OneDrive. After you have finished the setup and logged in OneDrive, a OneDrive personal account like this and a folder in your file explorer will open up. From here, simply go onto the folder, right click it, and from then on go on to settings option. After that, you'll be able to see on the sync and backup option a backup important PC folders to OneDrive option, and also save photos and video and other preferences as well. All you have to do is turn all of these settings on and you'll be able to save all of your data into the external hard drive. If you want to add another hard drive as well, you can simply plug it in and those hard drive will be shown here on your storage, where now you'll be able to directly back it up on all of your data into that hard drive. And that is how easy it is to back up your data in your computer. This was this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.